In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit artifacts in Claude AI. Think of artifacts as living, dynamic documents that Claude creates and improves in real time based on what you tell it to do. They can be outlines, drafts, plans, or even code snippets, and the key idea is that you don't have to manually rewrite anything. You give clear instructions and Claude updates the artifact for you. Start by navigating to the Artifacts area and opening the specific artifact you want to edit. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got the right one by glancing at the title and a few lines of content. This simple check helps you avoid making changes in the wrong place and keeps your workflow smooth. Next, move to the chat window. This is where all the editing magic happens. Instead of copying and pasting sections or making manual tweaks, just describe the changes you want. The clearer you are, the better the result. For example, you might say you want the introduction shortened, a section rewritten for a friendlier tone, a numbered list converted into a paragraph, or a code block adjusted for readability. You are not limited to text edits. Formatting and code refinements are fair game too. The more specific you are about what to change, where it should happen, and the intended outcome, the more accurately Claude will respond. When you are ready, send your prompt. Claude will generate an updated version in the side panel, reflecting your instructions. Watch as the artifact refreshes, then review the changes right away. Scan the headings, key paragraphs, or code blocks to verify that the update matches your intent. If something isn't quite right, simply follow up in the chat with refined guidance, clarify the tone, tighten the scope, or point to a particular section or line. Because artifacts update dynamically, you can iterate quickly without breaking your flow. You can ask for targeted adjustments at any time. Modify text for clarity, adjust code for structure or style, or revise formatting for better readability. For best results, reference the exact section name or a brief quote, so Claude knows precisely what you mean. You don't need to rewrite the artifact yourself. You are steering the edits and Claude is doing the heavy lifting. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.